This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Shannon Allen. Luxury waterfront condo in the heart of historic Freemason. This beautiful condo offers a desirable open floor plan with an abundance of natural light and stunning views of the river and Freemason. Spacious 2-bedroom 2-bath featuring a gorgeous kitchen with bar seating, granite countertops and stainless steel appliances, a large living dining area complete with a custom molding gas fireplace, and access to a covered balcony. The primary ensuite has amazing views and includes a large walk-in closet, stylish bath with dual vanity, walk-in shower, and separate tub. Additional features include hardwood flooring, custom window treatments, moldings, recessed lighting, great closet space, garage parking, covered and reserved storage, gated community and pet-friendly with lovely waterfront green spaces. For more information, review the details below or contact Shannon Allen at 757-647-3126.